Okay, it gets a little trickier now as we move from information model to database to query, because queries are another layer of knowledge, another layer of vocabulary that you have to have. But suppose I wanted to create a screen that was all about a particular song, but also had information about the artist and the recording on it. That makes sense, right? One screen in Pandora is going to have all that sort of information. So in order to build that one screen in Pandora with all that kind of information, I'm going to have to find information from the song table, and you can see the song table is circled here in the middle, the artist table and the recording table. All three of those tables contain parts of the information. And because each of those tables is related to each other, right, each of those information types is related, so each of those tables is related as well, I can pull information using one query from all of those tables simultaneously. So in this query, I'm trying to retrieve all the information that I might need in order to build that song page. And I have to get information from the song table, from the artist table, and also from the recording table. And here are all the different fields that I want. These fields that I want are specific to the pieces of information that I'm eventually going to show on the screen. So the final thing that I do is I don't want all the songs with all the artists with all the recordings. I want a very particular one. In fact, I want artist ID equals 1. That's my very first artist ID. In this case, that happens to be Missy Higgins, but it could be, you could search for 2, 3, 4, which would be any other artist that might be in the system. So I say where artist ID equals 1, that only gives me information about artist number 1.